YISORA N300 Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful, lightweight, and versatile cleaning. The YISORA N300 Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is designed to provide powerful and convenient cleaning for your entire home. With its 20 kPa suction, ultra-lightweight design, and versatile 6-in-1 functionality, the N300 tackles dirt and debris on carpets, hard floors, and even in your car, making cleaning a breeze. Key features: 20 kPa powerful suction. Effortlessly lift dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces with the robust 20 kPa suction power. 6-in-1 versatility. This versatile vacuum seamlessly transitions between an upright stick vacuum and a handheld vacuum, allowing you to clean floors, furniture, upholstery, and car interiors with ease. 2,200 mAh long-lasting battery. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, providing ample time to clean your entire home. 5-stage filtration system. Capture fine dust and allergens with the advanced 5-stage filtration system, ensuring cleaner air in your home. Ultra-lightweight design. Maneuver effortlessly around your home with the lightweight design, minimizing strain and fatigue during cleaning. 2 storage ways. Conveniently store the vacuum in 2 ways, saving space and keeping your home organized. LED headlight brush. Illuminate dark corners and under furniture with the LED headlight brush, ensuring no dirt is missed. 65 dB ultra-quiet operation. Enjoy a quieter cleaning experience with the 65 dB ultra-quiet operation, minimizing noise disruption. Suitable for multiple surfaces. Effectively clean thick carpets, thin carpets, upholstery, shag rugs, tile, hardwood, marble, and wood laminate floors. Specifications: brand YISORA, model N300, color green, power type battery, suction power 20 kPa, battery capacity 2,200 mAh, runtime up to 40 minutes, filtration 5-stage, noise level 65 dB. Benefits: powerful and efficient cleaning. Tackle dirt and debris on various surfaces with strong suction. Versatile cleaning. Transition between upright and handheld modes for comprehensive cleaning. Long runtime. Clean your entire home without frequent recharging. Cleaner air. Advanced filtration system captures fine dust and allergens. Easy maneuverability. Lightweight design minimizes strain. Convenient storage. 2 storage options for space-saving organization. Improved visibility. LED headlights illuminate dark areas. Quiet operation. Minimize noise disruption during cleaning. Overall, the YISORA N300 Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, lightweight, and versatile cleaning solution for your home. Its strong suction, long runtime, and advanced features make it an excellent choice for those seeking a convenient and effective cleaning experience.